Here we are. Paw there, and perhaps there's another paw here. Oh, hush. Gave me the food. Thank you, bud. Alright. The healthy duck food has been poured. They're enjoying themselves, as per usual. Here we are. I'm going to put this down. That would be so helpful. Absolutely. Hopefully the phone doesn't fall. That'd be great. Well, I would sit here, but it's awfully wet. Absolutely. Huh. It's not that huge a geese battle I'm normally seeing. Maybe I'll sit on this spot. This spot looks somewhat dried compared to the other spots. Mr. Broken Wing Duck. He's enjoying himself. I think he's calling his friends. Excuse me. What's all that about? Alright, well, this tea is very fucking hot. I'm so sorry. I have to. And I mean, I have to open it up so it can air out. And hopefully it doesn't fall. But this bitch is too hot to drink right this second. So I just open that. Open it up. Open. Well, Mr. Duck, there's this pile and that pile. which is clearly visible. Mr. Broken Winged Duck seems relaxed. Mr. Broken Winged Duck, yes he do. Yes he will. Yes he does. Aw, where you going? It's like, I'm full, I'm out of here. More guests. More geese coming. Well, Mr. Broken Winged Duck seems full and quite relaxed this lovely rainy day. And I do mean lovely because it's water. Come on now, guys. It was raining harder earlier, but it slowed down. But I brought my umbrella just in case over here. But even the drizzle, I don't really care, to be honest. I don't. I just don't. I don't. No, we don't. Water is wet. Doing some wing action. Well, they're properly given enough ducks and healthy waterfowl feed. Correct. Yes. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know exactly. They seem happy. That's good. Oh, and there they are. The other geese. More geese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 geese waddling over here. Ever so slowly. Ever so gently. Do you believe me? Huh. Ever so slowly, ever so gently, just waddling over here. Well, there's plenty of healthy I repeat, healthy duck food, and Mr. Broken Wing Duck has had his fill, so we're good. Oh, camera action.